Hey guys, welcome back to H&M Tech Tutorial, and in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can use one of the famous tool of AI which is known as DeepSeek. So let's move toward the video and check it out how you can use DeepSeek, and we can compare the ChatGPT as well with DeepSeek. So let's open your favorite browser, and once open I will browser, I simply search here DeepSeek. So once you will search DeepSeek here, the AI tool of DeepSeek will get open, and you will get two options over here. Once is start now, and another is get DeepSeek app if you want to download in your laptop, in your mobile screen. So you can simply download over here. Now I'm just gonna use it over here in my laptop, so simply I can start now. So once you will click over here, you can get a similar option to like ChatGPT, and now we will make a comparison it with ChatGPT as well. So I can simply open here chat. So let's give you a quick overview of DeepSeek AI tool. Here you can see new chat option, and all the previous new chats are shown here. So here is profile where you have login your DeepSeek, and once you will click over here, you will get a QR code where by scanning this QR code you can simply download DeepSeek in your mobile phone. So here is prompt option. You can simply type any prompt over here. There is two options showing here. One is deep think and another is search option. So by clicking on deep think, it will analyze your prompt in deep way, and it will get you with the result properly. So once I'm giving any prompt, and it will analyze data over here. So here is the upload option. If you want to upload any file, you can simply click over here. So let's give you a quick overview difference between both, like DeepSeek and ChatGPT. So let's move on. So I'll open here like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So let's check it out how DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. So I have a prompt over here which is all about horror story. So I can simply copy this prompt and just paste it over here in DeepSeek. So let's see the results of DeepSeek, and I'm giving a same prompt to ChatGPT as well. So we can make a comparison which AI tool is best, and you can see two options over here. One is DeepThink R1, and another option is search. So once we click on deep think, it will get analyze your prompt, and it will give you a proper result based on your emotions and based on your thinkings. So let's click on to browse or prompt, and similar to with ChatGPT, you will see options like search. And what we can do, we can simply click on search option to get a prompt result. So you can see the result of ChatGPT. The sounds look, what we can do, we can simply tell them, can you please generate a script for us from above story. So let's see the result of ChatGPT, and what about DeepSeek. DeepSeek, it seems that is this is developed by the Chinese, and most of the time the server is very busy. So what you can do, if you're giving any prompt to DeepSeek, you can give again and again. There is too much load on server side. That's why it's look too much busy most of the time. So we will give a prompt to again DeepSeek about can you please generate. So let's see the results of both AI tools, and let's see which one is better. So this is the best way you can, analyze your prompts or anything you want. You can generate high quality images from ChatGPT, and both of tools over here. As you can see the results, which I have given prompt to ChatGPT, it's generate a beautiful prompt over here. So as compared to DeepSeek, DeepSeek is currently analyze, the prompt, but it seems that the servers are too busy, so it's powered and designed recently. So I think so. ChatGPT is best as compared to DeepSeek. So if you are a newbie, and if you want to give prompt, if you want to generate images, you can use ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT is most beneficial tool, although DeepSeek is also well, but most of the time the server is too much busy. So in this video, I will tell you about the majority factor and difference between ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you found this video is helpful for you, gives it it's a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.